Hey there, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is a PowerPoint about the coffee company Starbucks. So, this is the slideshow. So, let me show you how to make this template in just 10 minutes. But first, be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like these. And don't forget to like the video and comment down to let us know about your opinions. Also, you can download this PowerPoint template from the link below and it is for free. So go and check the link out. So let's start. First of all, you have to open up PowerPoint and a blank slide. Then you have to right click and go to format background, and from here use the eyedropper to give the color. Now go to pictures and let me add the logo of the Starbucks company, and that goes here. And now let's duplicate the template and decrease its size and put it right here. There it goes. Now go to insert tab and shapes and add a rectangle right here. Now what you have to do is move it right here and remove its outline and change its color. I'm using eyedropper. Send it to the back and move it into the middle, and there you go. Now go to insert tab and select both these and adjust them. There you go. Now the next thing you have to do is go to shapes and add a rectangle with rounded corners, and you have to remove its outline and give it white color and move it upwards and duplicate it using Ctrl plus D and duplicate it about 4 times. Now you have to select all of the boxes and you have to put them into the middle of the slide. Go to pictures and insert the pictures of each of the content you're gonna use, and I'm using these smoothies and milkshakes. You can also use this, and so let's go. Let me just adjust them and their size, that they are equal and that they fit the rectangle perfectly and that they're into the middle of the rectangle. Let's just reshape them, and this is how it looks. Go to insert tab and icons and search for home and choose this icon and decrease its size and put it right here onto the top corner, and use eyedropper to give it this color. Now go to insert tab and shapes and add a rectangle with rounded corners and make it round like this. Remove its outline, change its color, and there you go. Go to insert tab and icons and search for search. Yeah, search for search. And now insert this search button. I'm gonna put it right here into the search bar, and that goes there. And the next thing I'm gonna go is put these buttons right here, and I'm gonna add our text box and I'm gonna write in it Starbucks. This is gonna be the title of the company. As you can see, I have increased its size and changed its color to white, and I'm gonna put it right here. Now let's add other contents, and this is how it looks. Duplicate the template and select these four of the columns, and yeah, like this. Let me just adjust them. And now what you have to do is move them to the right side, and let me just move this. And be sure that that last one rectangle goes out, and choose this first rectangle and increase its size and change its length and breadth to 11 centimeter and move it into the middle and select these and move them a little bit onto the left side because there's space available there. So now the next thing I'm gonna do is increase the size of this milkshake, and I'm gonna put it right here, and there it goes. And let's increase the size of the text, and I'm gonna put it right here. Let's change the colors of the box, and that's how it looks. Now let's add the content text, and that's all you had to do. Now what we have to do is duplicate the first slide about 5 to 6 times. There you go. And now move the first one right here, and let's move this, select it and move this onto the left side, and select all of these three and move it to the right side. Select this rectangle and increase its height and length to 11 centimeter and move it in between the rectangles. I'm gonna increase this picture size, and let's increase the text and title size as well. And let's adjust it right here. Let me just decrease the size of the text so that I can fit it into the rectangle perfectly. So that goes right there. Let's change the color of the rectangle, and that's it. Now what you're gonna do is go to next slide and select these two and move them to the left side. That one goes out of the slide and one remains into the slide. Yeah, something like this. Let me just put the border out of it, and there you go. Now increase this third rectangle and increase its height and length to about 11 centimeter. Put it into the middle and increase this coffee size, and let's put it right here. And that's it. Rotate it a little bit and change the color of the rectangle. Add your text in there, and that's all you had to do. Now let me just add just a text by yeah, that's it. Now go to the next slide, and what you're gonna do is select all of these three along with their text and move them to the left side. That only one of them remains out of the template. And let's choose this fourth rectangle and increase its size and put it right into the middle. And there you go. Now increase the size of this picture and rotate it a little bit onto the opposite direction that you did in the previous slide. Let me just move this one rectangle right onto the left. Let's add the heading, increase its size, change its color, and there you go. Let's adjust it right here. Select the rectangle and change its color. Now what I'm gonna do is add the content text, and there you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is go to the next template and select these four of the rectangles along with their pictures and move them onto the left side that only one of them remains out of the slide. And now I'm gonna increase this rectangle size to 11 centimeter as well, and I'm gonna increase the picture size as well. I'm gonna rotate it into the opposite direction that I did in the previous slide, change the color of the rectangle and increase the size of the title and change its color as well. Now put it right here and adjust it that it does not go out of the rectangle. Now let's put the content text, and there you go. That's perfect. Now, what you're gonna do is go to the first slide, the second one, and paste it right here and move it onto the left side. I mean, the right side. So now, what you're gonna do is select other contents like the top contents, the logo, and the other headers, and we're gonna paste it onto the first template. Let's select these upper headers like home and search button, and we're gonna move it onto the left side. And we're gonna select other contents and we're gonna move it onto the right side. And let's select this rectangle and the text, and let's move them to the left side as well. Choose the rectangle and move it onto the top, and choose the slogan of the company and move it onto the left. That goes here as well. So now what we're gonna do is select all the templates and give them more transition. Now go to the second slide and go to action and slide and give this link right here of the third slide. Now go to this one and go to action and slide and go to the fourth slide. And now choose the third picture and go to action and give it the fifth slide. And there you go. Continue the process for each of the slide. Let's repeat the process by going to action, selecting the picture, and do the same in the other slides and give these pictures the same link, that hyperlink we're going to give the same, so that the customer can first go to that slide and then he can come back to the previous slide as well. So I'm gonna use hyperlink in all the templates. Be sure to do the settings as I have done, duplicate the slide and move it onto the last slide so that when all of the show is over, it's gonna come back to normal. So this is the final result and I hope you like the video. So I have a request for you. Please join our Patreon from the link below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe my channel because it gives us a lot of hope about making more videos like these. And if you can, please like the video and hit the bell icon to get more updates like these. And that was it. That was all for today in this video.